Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to set a password in a laptop or PC. I show you guys how to do it. You just need to go to search menu and type settings. Click on open it. On left side select accounts. On right side select sign in options. Expand this password and select add option. And you just need to type the password you want. After typing it, type password hint to find that password. After typing it, select next option and select finish option. And now just to close tab here and restart your PC. After restarting, you just need to type the password. After typing it, press enter. And now you log in. And that's how you can set a password on laptop or PC. Don't forget to leave a like, guys. Thank you.